Hey beauties, so if you want some more flexibility with your hair when it comes to styling and not totally sacrificing your curls, we have a solution for you. So this is the Amazon series Cysteine Complex Curl Softening Treatment. So if you again want flexibility with styling, you want to rock your curls without too much frizz, or you want to blow dry and flatten your hair and you don't want it to revert as quickly, you want it to be nice and sleek and smooth, a keratin is a great option. So it infuses cysteine, which is amino acid, back into the hair to help strengthen, protect, coat it, and give you lustrous shine and manageability. So you can log on to almtgroup.com. We'll start with a consultation to find out if this is the right option for you, and then you could go ahead and book your appointment with us.